Assalamualaikum, I hope you're quite well, and today I have real estate banners. These files in PSD for Photoshop user, Photoshop CC user. So first I drag to Photoshop, and you see here one shape where you can adjust your own logo right now, and change color. I know you can do better. Here is logo folder. You can see one by one. You can change color or you can apply your own logo. Here is description. You can write your own details. Square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, or 2 garages. Here is price. So you can adjust your own. And here is main thing is background. So double click here and open any other photo like this, drag there. Oh, this size is low resolution, so don't worry. I drag this file and then drag there, Ctrl S, and you see there, amazing. So you can write your own text. For example, change color, and description, background on your own choice. Okay, and I think your banner is ready. Just import your logo here and write your title, and here is detail, located in Los Angeles downtown. Wow, no. And second is same here, just change background picture, and same here. We can apply 2 photos or 2 background. Here is main logo or main background mean home, and here is capitals. I mean here is portrait photo. Drag there and right click, create clipping mask. You can see here, amazing. And located in this area or anywhere, you adjust your own choice. Close this, right click, create clipping mask, and you can adjust it. Here, background, change background color, depend your own choice. Okay, and now here is last post. Adjust your own photo here, and you can say you can write your details or change color. I know you can do better. I hope this banner is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel for more free data. Take care. Allah Hafiz.